Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily link your Twitch account to your Reddit profile page, so that when people are on your Reddit profile, they can easily click the Twitch icon and it will direct them towards your Twitch account. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device or head down to the desktop browser on your desktop and open up Reddit. Now, once Reddit opens up, you come on the homepage. Now, here you go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears, and right here you can open up the profile as the first option. Now, here you can already see three clickable links, which are the Cash App, the Discord, and the random website URL. Now, we're going to add a social link right here. And here you have a load of options to choose from. Right above YouTube, you see the Twitch icon. Simply press this. And here you can use a Twitch account to your liking. Simply use the username, how to tag, and press save. Now, as you can see here, it creates a Twitch icon with my username. And once I open it up, it will direct me straight to the Twitch account that I just linked. It is very easy. Now, from there, people can promote their Twitch account through Reddit. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.